Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to combine cell in Google Sheet. So let's get started. First open your Google Sheet, then click on the cell where you want to combine the data. For example, I'm just going to combine this first name and last name into one name. Now click on the cell and then type equal sign. Now we have to select the cells we want to combine. So select first one, then after go to the function bar over here. Now type and on your keyboard. Now click a space and put an quote. Again now select the another cell. We got B2, press enter. That's it. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.